Hello. What's up? I have so to show you. It's purple. It's purple. It's very beautiful and purple. It's a light purple that I colored and I made. It's a white fluffy slime. So yeah, it's really nice. I really like it. It's nice and soft. I really like this slime. Comment down below. What is your kind of favorite type of slime? So my favorite is clay, or I don't know, or maybe just normal slime, fluffy slime. It used to be, sometimes it's jelly cube, but it's clay and fluffy. Sometimes cloud, maybe. I love the color. I colored it purple. You can't really super see it. Like, there, you can kind of see it now. It looks like a white slime now. Okay, who cares? Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Let's do some slime sounds. Love a good slime. I'm going to close this window so that you can only hear the slime. Slime, work out. Slime, okay. Slime, work out. I'm standing on the table right now. Slime, work out. Slime, okay. Slime, work out, okay. Slime, work out. Slime. Okay. Just guys, I wanted to show you my fluffy slime. I made it with white glue. I also have another slime, but it's sticky, but it's a crunchy slime. I used the last of my wood beads, which is really sad. I'm never gonna make crunchy slime ever again because it always melts. If there's one thing, the one kind of slime I feel like always melts, it is crunchy slime. Because beads, man, and I don't want to activate it because I feel like it might overactivate. So that's my slime. This is such a boring video, but yeah, that is my slime. If you want to see me making slime, because I made a video of myself making it, but I did make this one. It's a pretty good one. It's pretty good. Also, yeah. I don't. Oh my god, why is this lighting too good? Too good on my face. That's good, that's good. Okay. This is not where I'm always going to do videos, only on the weekdays. School is starting so soon. Anyways, follow me on TikTok at WinePizzaNZ, and yeah. Like this video if you want to see my horrible crunchy slime. Yay! Wow, looks like I have a filter. Nelly? Nelly! The doggies. The doggy. The doggy. Say hi. Okay. Peace, peace, peace. See you later. I'm such a tryhard. Okay, I hate myself. Oh wait, no. Oh. Bye.